Welcome to your IRIS portal training. As soon as you get your login information, you will go ahead and log in here on IRIS. Once you're logged in, you're going to be on your home page of IRIS. So this is your home page. On the left side, there's a little hamburger collapse menu. So go ahead and push that. There's a blue button that says plus create, and that's where you push to create a lead. Once you push that, it's going to lead you to create a lead. You go ahead and push lead. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and type in the DBA, which is the business name here. Once it's created, make sure that you always save everything that you do on each tab. Each tab needs to be completed. So here is me typing in the DBA. And then on the right side hand, there's a green button that says plus create lead. And this is where you create your lead. Then it's going to send you to the merchant's portal, main portal here. And then you see each tab has a placement that you need to fill out. So under the business information, you would have to fill out DBA, corporation, and then the business information here. Each column needs to be filled in within each tab. So after you're done with each tab, you have to make sure you save. And this is the owner's information. So if there's more than 2 owners, you need to fill out each owner. And then after that, make sure you save. And then you move on to the next tab, which is financial profile. And this is where you need to fill out the banking information. We will need a voided check. And that's all on here. You fill out each little box and then make sure you save on the right side. And then this is equipment, and this is the equipment that the merchant is going to be needed. So you fill this in and save. And then this is our pricing for Chesapeake. And each fill you would have to fill in and save. And then this is our other bank, NMC, same thing. You have to fill out each box and then save. And then after that, you need all required documents be attached here. You upload all documents that need to be uploaded for each merchant. And then you go ahead and save it again. And once that's completed, then you would have to email our underwriter to confirm that everything is correct on each tab. And that completes our IRIS training.